How to add Discord link on your YouTube channel. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back in this video. And on today's video we will learn how we can add Discord link on YouTube channel. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to go to discord.com. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're here, now go to your server. After that, click on this drop down on your left hand side bar at your server name, and here you have an option. Click on invite people. Now here you have a link right here. It says share this link with others to grant access to your server, but this invite link will expire in 7 days. Here click on set this link to never expire so that this link will never expire. Once you have done that, now click on copy. So after you copy your Discord link, which will never expire, now you have to open up YouTube in your device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. So once you're on your YouTube, click on your profile at the top right corner, and here click on view your channel. Once you're here, just below your profile name, click on customize channel. That's gonna take you to the channel customization. Now to add a link, scroll down a bit, and here you have a section for a link. There's a button as add link. Click on it. Now you have to enter the link title. For now, I will just keep it Discord. Under that, there is a text field in order to enter the URL. So all you have to do is paste the URL that you have copied from Discord. Once you have done that, click on publish at the top right corner. Then your link will be added. Now if you go back to your channel, and here the link to the Discord has been added. So that's how you can add link of Discord on YouTube. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.